Midday News is brought to you by Dogra A1 Digital Hearing Aid Center, Jammu, offering special discounts for the senior citizens and reimbursement schemes for the government employees. Jammu and Kashmir recorded 452 fresh COVID-19 cases on Wednesday, taking the Union Territory's tally to 1,11,130, while 6 more fatalities pushed the death toll to 1,708. Of the fresh cases, 258 are from the Jammu Division and 194 from Kashmir Division. Jammu District recorded the highest number of fresh cases at 127, followed by 81 in Srinagar. There are 4,951 active cases in the Union Territory, while 1,04,471 patients have recovered so far. Firing a fresh salvo at rival parties in Jammu and Kashmir, BJP leader and Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh on Wednesday said that the Roshni scam had illuminated the Gupkar bungalows but extinguished hope for the poor. He said the Roshni scheme was launched in 2001 by the government with an envisaged objective of raising an amount of Rs 25,000 crore for setting up power projects which were to provide electricity for every household, including those of economically weaker sections of society.
लोगों के घरों में रोशनी पहुंचाने के लिए लागू किया गया था। उसने गरीब के घर में अंधेरा किया और इनके बंगलों में रोशनी जगमगाती दिखाई दी।
The second phase of by-elections to vacate the seats of panchayat-level bodies in Jammu and Kashmir witnessed more than 52% voter turnout, State Election Commissioner K.K. Sharma said on Wednesday. The polling was held on Tuesday along with the second phase of District Development Council polls, but the figures were released on Wednesday. Sharma said 65.54% polling was recorded in the by-poll to vacant panch seats and 52.24% for the sarpanch seats. Jammu Division recorded 79.25% turnout and Kashmir Division recorded 63.92%. Vice Chancellor, Sher-e-Kashmir University of Agricultural Sciences and Technology, Jammu, Professor J.P. Sharma on Wednesday highlighted the research initiatives of Varsity for promotions of scientific and innovative farm practices and market linkage. He said the SKU AST Jammu is committed to turn out the fortunes of farmers in Jammu region through promotions of scientific and innovative farm practices and market linkages. He listed achievements of varsities in all its mandates of teaching, research and extension following SOPs of pandemic situations. He said the agricultural extension remains the principal priority of SKU AST Jammu. Advisor to Lieutenant Governor Basir Ahmed Khan on Wednesday attended the first high-level virtual meeting of Board of Trade for pursuing a strategy to enhance India's export competitiveness, reduce import dependence and promote balanced and reciprocal trade with partner countries for building an Atmanirbhar Bharat. The meet was attended by Piyush Goyal, Union Minister of Commerce and Industry, Hardeep Singh Puri, Union Minister of State and Commerce and Industry, and other high-level officers. Advisor Basir Khan during the session presented agenda of policies being adopted by the UT government that will be beneficial for all the segments of the society. Union Minister of State for Finance and Corporate Affairs in charge of Jammu and Kashmir DDC elections, Anurag Singh Thakur on Wednesday stated that the Gupkar alliance only worked to hand over powers to the generations and even practiced nepotism in scandals. AM Hyundai Jammu on Wednesday launched India's first fully electric SUV, Kona Electric. Kona Electric is named after idyllic west coast region of the Big Island of Hawaii. IGP Jammu, Mukesh Singh, was the guest of honor while Director AM Group Ankur Mahajan, Akshay Mahajan and Aryan Mahajan were also present at the launch function. Sher-e-Kashmir bodybuilding competition was conducted as a part of Operation Sadbhavna by the 20RR under the aegis of HQ31 sub-area at APS BB Can, Srinagar. The event was the final round of many preliminary competitions that were held across the Kashmir Valley. The preliminary competitions were organized by various sectors at 9 different locations across North and South Kashmir, in which more than 200 youths participated. The best 50 bodybuilders were called upon for the final competition, Sher-e-Kashmir bodybuilding competition held in Srinagar. The farmers' protest against the 3 agricultural sector laws passed by the central government in the last monsoon session entered the 8th day on Thursday, with demonstrations on Sant Nirankari Samagam ground in Burari on the outskirts of Delhi and other border areas. A delegation of farmers will meet Agricultural Minister Narendra Singh Tomar on Thursday.